After getting my machine cleaned out and oiled, I decided to test it out and make sure that it actually worked. So I was already thrilled that the light bulb came on, so I don't have to change that. Then I thought, okay, we need to see if the machine itself works. But what I should have made sure was that I actually know how to use it. Like here, I forgot to put the little foot thing down before I even started sewing. I haven't used a sewing machine in a very long time. And then it like wouldn't move any further, and I couldn't figure that part out either. So I probably should have like read a little bit more before jumping onto this and trying to sew anything. But these were just like test strips anyways, because it says after you oil your machine, you need to like run some stitches on scraps or something so that all the oil can run through and it doesn't get on your like good projects. So right here, I'm adjusting the foot pressure, thinking, okay, maybe that'll do it. But it didn't. It still didn't want to move anywhere. And my machine just like jammed up on me. And so it made this, there's a zillion stitches that are just stuck down there. And it was just a tangled mess underneath. So I cut all of that loose and cleaned it all out and decided, okay, we're going to try this again and maybe, start with the little foot down this time and see if that makes it any better. So on round 2, I got everything ready and set up, and I put the foot down before I started sewing to see if that actually helped. Maybe it'll work this time because, well, like I said, I'm just figuring this out. This is a machine to definitely like learn on and hopefully be able to make cool stuff later. So we'll find out. But as I got going on this one, once again, it got jammed and it made another googly mess underneath. So at this point, I have now Googled it and read my book and found out that I needed to change my thread tension, which was apparently set at 0 on the machine when I got it. So I changed my tension on the foot much, much lower since my fabric is so thin, and then I increased the tension on my thread, and I was so happy because it actually kept going. So definitely check your thread tension. And this time, when I pulled the fabric away, I only had the 2 strings that I was supposed to have. So it's a success. My machine works. The cabinet is really pretty. I'm going to put a finish on it tomorrow, and I can't wait to show you just how gorgeous the wood on this thing is. And look at these stitches.